In this video, we are going to find out how EasyReader app helps to support people who are blind or partially sighted to find and read accessible books. EasyReader app includes the world's largest collection of accessible book services. This enables people who are visually impaired to choose from millions of accessible titles. Libraries available in EasyReader app include Bookshare in the US, RNIB Bookshare in the UK, and many other services around the world. EasyReader is compatible with a range of screen readers, including VoiceOver on iPhones and iPads, TalkBack on Android phones and tablets, and a range of screen readers for Windows laptops and tablets. This enables people who are visually impaired to use their screen reader to sign in to their accessible libraries,
RNIB Bookshare button,
browse and download accessible books,
Animal Farm, George Orwell, Malcolm Bradbury.
Read and navigate books that contain text.
Chapter 1. Mr. Jones, of the Manor Farm, had locked the hen houses for the night, but was too drunk to remember to shut the pop hole.
Screen reader users can also connect a refreshable Braille display to find, download, and read books using Braille. EasyReader includes a range of options to enable people who are blind or partially sighted to read in a way that is accessible for them. You can customize text size, font, and apply high contrast colors to make text easier to view. You can also listen to text read out loud by a natural sounding voice, adjust the speed of the voice, and apply highlighting to follow each sentence and word as it is read.
Mr. Jones, of the Manor Farm, had locked the hen houses for the night, but was too...
EasyReader app makes it easy for people who are visually impaired to move through different sections of books. The reader includes the ability to navigate books using the forward and back buttons,
Mr. Jones, of the Manor, with the ring of light from his lantern
headings and page list, or the search bar. Subscribe to an EasyReader education plan or personal plan to enhance your reading experience, which includes the options to choose from a range of premium voices, open and read text-based PDFs, and read your accessible books on any device. EasyReader education or personal plans allow you to save your book list, reading position, and preferences, so you can read on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. Find out more about the EasyReader app and the EasyReader education plan or EasyReader personal plan at yourdolphin.com/EasyReader.